Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Honda Ridgeline RTL. 2006 Honda Ridgeline RTL, reliable, versatile, and ready for the road. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 165,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This 2006 Honda Ridgeline RTL in Nighthawk Black Pearl with gray leather interior is a reliable choice. Equipped with a 3LNA V6 engine, it offers a smooth driving experience. The factory default features include a moonroof, XM radio, and navigation system for added convenience. With below 165,000 miles and well-maintained, it averages less than 9,000 miles annually. Achieving 15 mpg in the city and 20 mpg on the highway, this Ridgeline is in excellent condition, as confirmed by a clean CARFAX report. Tagline. Key features include satellite radio, navigation system, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.